Thank you and welcome back to my channel. This is a remote place and I probably will put this job on both my online remote channel and also on my on-site Shy Edition channel. But today I will be presenting to you guys the on AOL.com. They have an article here for on October the 25th. And it's regarding the Hyundai Motor Vehicle Company. They are rapidly building its first United States electric vehicle plant with production on track for 2025. So we're already ending 2023. We'll be starting the year 2024 shortly. So I'm sure they're going to start ramping up that hiring. This is a view shot of the actual building. And the company will be in Ellabell, Georgia. That's not that far from Savannah, Georgia. And they just give you some information here on the building. It says a year has passed since Hyundai Motor Group broke ground on the 7.6 billion vehicle battery plant. So they are opening their first U.S. vehicle electric plant here in the United States in the city of Ellabell. And it says here that they will be hiring, I believe down here, they will be hiring about 8,500 workers. It says here that suppliers opening shop in 9 Georgia counties near Hyundai plant will create another 6,000 jobs. So that's 8,500 jobs for this location. And then the suppliers for the Hyundai company, they're opening shops in 9 other Georgia counties. So a lot of times they open up their parts department in different locations, but near this plant that's going to be in Ellabell. So that's another 6,000 jobs. So it says here the largest economic development project in Georgia's history, and it came with a whopping incentive package with the state officials and local governments offering $2.1 billion in tax breaks. So you guys want to make sure you check this out. It says here Hyundai is projected to have a direct payroll of $4.7 billion over the next 10 years. The company has promised to pay workers a yearly average salary of about $58,105 plus benefits. And I'm sure part of those benefits will be a discount on buying vehicles. And I know right now that Hyundai and Kia are getting a bad rap because of the actual Kia Boys challenge that's out there. But it looks like they're trying to change how consumers are viewing this company by opening up a shop in the United States. So they don't give you any information about how to apply. I will contact maybe the employment office in the state of Georgia. But I just wanted to send this video out to you guys so you can keep an eye on that area. I'm sure it's going to be at the local employment office in that state of Georgia. Also, I'm sure they're going to have other information for the city of Ellabell. So you can just Google the state of Atlanta, city of Atlanta, the state of Georgia, look on their different employment sites and the employment, actually the government employment location to find out any information on upcoming hiring. Again, this is in Ellabell, Georgia, near Savannah, Georgia. They will be building their first U.S. electric vehicle location, and they are hiring about 8,500 jobs, plus additional 6,000 jobs in the nearby cities in the state of Georgia. So if you are not looking for a physical demanding job, because it will be a physical labor job, send this video over to someone that might. You can keep an eye out on it, ask around, and I will get back to you guys shortly with more jobs. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, and I will get back to you guys shortly with more job opportunities. Thank you for stopping by.